Why would someone with $100 million in the bank ever need to take out a loan? It sounds crazy, right? But it's one of the most powerful wealth strategies the ultra-rich use. Welcome to the world of the wealthy, where money rules are completely upside down. We are going to expose the secret debt strategy that separates the rich from everyone else. Imagine seeing a billionaire step out of their luxury mansion, get into their Lamborghini, and then go to apply for a bank loan. This is the billionaire paradox. The first reaction is shock. Why would they borrow money when they can just pay cash? The answer lies in how they view and manage their assets. Let's start by looking at the two very different mindsets toward money: the common person's way and the rich person's way. For most people, money in the bank simply means it's time to spend it. They buy the new phone, the expensive clothes, or the lavish vacation. Money comes in and money goes out. Rich people think differently. They see available cash not as a wallet filler, but as fuel for their investment engine. They don't want to spend their money. They want their money to stay invested, generating even more money for them over time. This is where the magic happens. The wealthy prioritize the growth of their assets above immediate liquidation. Let's use an example. A rich person has $10 million invested, growing at 10% yearly. They want a $2 million dream house. If they pay cash for the house, that $2 million is gone from their investments. It immediately stops generating that 10% return. Instead, they borrow the $2 million. Now, their full $10 million stays invested and keeps compounding at 10%. As long as the 10% investment growth exceeds the loan interest rate, they are effectively making money on the house because they maintain their capital base. This brings us to the ultimate secret weapon that makes this strategy so attractive: taxes. The key detail most people never learn is that funds received from a loan are generally not considered income by the IRS. This means wealthy individuals can access large amounts of cash for purchases without having to sell their underlying assets. Selling investments triggers capital gains taxes, sometimes costing millions. Borrowing allows them to bypass this costly event altogether. The big takeaway here is redefining what debt means. For the wealthy, debt is a tool, not a trap. The rich don't use debt to buy things they can't afford. They use debt strategically to keep their assets constantly growing and working for them. Poor people work for money. The rich, through strategies like this, make money work for them. That is the ultimate secret. If borrowing money could actually make you richer, would you do it? Hit follow for more money secrets the wealthy don't teach in school.